Hi, I'm Gareth Spence, and welcome to Tech Talk. At this year's FiberConnect, Adtran expanded its Mosaic One marketing center with a new platform called FiberCX. To tell me about it, I'm joined by Ash Brown from Adtran and John Sullivan from DxTel. John, let's dive right in. What is FiberCX?
FiberCX is a comprehensive, simple-to-use website platform. It's everything an RSP needs right out of the box. It's built from the ground up for RSPs instead of a bunch of disparate tools all stitched together.
Are there any specific features that you'd like to highlight?
Oh, absolutely. It's got address bars so you can search for pricing cards. It's got broadband labels built in. It's got an integration with My Bundle right out of the box from day one. It's got capital credit search for our co-ops. It's got serviceability map. I mean, really everything an RSP needs.
Ash, what makes this different from standard tools that RSPs have access to?
Well, I think it's important to note that regional service providers, broadband service providers, they have unique challenges. And those unique challenges limit what they can deliver from a customer experience side. And the website is normally the first place that a customer is going. And so FiberCX is solving that by delivering a website tool, a full website that is custom built for broadband service providers.
Around the show floor this week, I've heard you talking about beyond the network. Does this tie into that messaging?
It certainly does. So beyond the network is really thinking for Adtran beyond the network. We provide incredible technology from the core through the door, but to really enable service providers, we have to do more. And with Mosaic One Promote, and now with FiberCX, we are enabling service providers with tools to make meaningful connections beyond the network.
And what specific pain points does FiberCX address?
John hit on some of it for sure, but it's the cumbersome website, the complicated website, the integrations that have to be done. Traditional websites aren't built for broadband service providers. And so this is giving them that out-of-the-box tool with the things that are most important to drive a stellar customer experience, like the address lookup. Once they search an address, seeing pricing and plans and services for their address in their community. And on the back end, being able to manage that experience really easily and edit the platform within a couple of minutes.
Listening to some of the RSPs talk on the Adtran booth behind us here, I hear a concern about scalability, and RSPs worry that they may choose tools that don't scale as they grow. Is FiberCX ready to grow out of the box?
I think that it is, yeah.
Absolutely.
FiberCX is built to grow with their business. What is out there right now is ready to use, but the roadmap will continue to evolve to reduce integration. So think about e-commerce from the BSS OSS side, being able to take an order online and flow that in to the RSP as an order that can then be tracked and installed, and making that an actual subscriber, a generating subscriber.
Another pain point that you often hear is implementation. And John, can I ask, is FiberCX, does it remove the complexity around some of these tools?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, just by having everything all in one place. You know, it's really designed to be simple to use, simple to implement. Of course, there's comprehensive training that comes along with it, ongoing support, but it's really built so that it's powerful enough that a developer can do what's needed, but a marketer can't break it.
And I would like to add to that, John, it also includes the security piece and the SEO piece. So it's not just about the look and the feel and the experience, it's the back-end tools that make it a traditional website just built with broadband-specific functionality.
And Ash, can I ask about the bottom line? Ultimately, that's a key topic for everyone at this show, I think. How does FiberCX impact that?
It's a huge cost savings. It's that simple. It's enabling teams with what they need, small teams. RSPs do struggle sometimes with not having a large marketing team. They might not even have a web person in-house. FiberCX doesn't require that. So they're able to set it up, manage it as a small team, and reduce integrations, reduce workflow, reduce the amount of leads lost. so they can sign up for service, start getting revenue, and internally be able to manage that experience very easily.
What can people expect on the roadmap for FiberCX?
Yeah, roadmaps are always important, especially at Adtran. And so from the roadmap side, it's going to grow with their business, as I mentioned, but it's important to note that we're already looking at some of those things. So a lot of RSPs, they have online chat functionality. So that's going to be integrated. We're working with GoCare currently on that. Deeper e-commerce integrations to reduce workflow and reduce tools that have to be integrated in is another thing, definitely. And then I would say from Mosaic One side, introducing more analytics to be able to see the data in FiberCX, act on that data from a marketing angle to increase not only total subscribers, but ARPU as well.
Ash, John, thanks for joining me today.
Thanks.